Hello everybody, it is Brooke with Re-Fabbed. We are gonna actually today be painting a nativity. I'm gonna try to replicate this that I painted before on it, just with the little baby Jesus, little precious baby Jesus with his, with kind of the light shining over his head and the star and just the little manger. That's what we're gonna try to do, okay? I think I just want to keep this plain, so we'll just have to see. I'm just going to keep it just this. I'm not going to paint over it. Not going to paint a base layer over it. We'll just kind of go and we'll see what the colors do on it. I don't really know what to expect. This one right here is English Ivy Green. It's like a really deep green. So I'm going to use that. I've also got Kelly Green, which is like a brighter green that I might do a little bit of highlighting in. You can see how totally different these two colors are. Then I'm gonna use Melted Chocolate. I've never used this color before, so I don't know really what to expect. To get it a little darker, I will probably just mix in some black. I'm not gonna do that just yet. And then I've got some white. What I'm gonna do first on this is I'm gonna make the trees. Now we're not trying to be, let me say this before I get started. If you're new here, we don't try to be perfect. We try to be whimsy and fun. My trees, even in this, they're bigger, they're taller, and that's okay. And yes, I realized that I also realized that over in Bethlehem, they did not have evergreens. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and just start making trees. So I got this tree, it's kind of lopsided. We'll call it whimsy. That's why I say I like whimsy so much, because guys, I don't have to be perfect and I'm not perfect, so it makes it really fun. So here we have the two trees, which I still need to highlight and all this, but we have two trees. We're gonna put the manger and stuff in the middle. So I'm gonna take a little bit of white. This is where you'll really see, because it's like, see how much lighter that is? I like that. So we're gonna do it to the other one too. And I am barely putting any white on this, barely. Like I said, I could have painted a base coat, that way it showed up better. I could have done that, you could do that, but I didn't want to. We're gonna go ahead and make the, this is what I'm looking at. This is mine that I painted. I'm gonna go ahead and make the little staple. Okay, so I'm just barely drawing my sides of my stable. Okay, so it's like this, and they're not straight lines. Nothing about it is straight, okay? All right, let me look at it myself first. Okay, like I said, it's not perfect. Nothing about it's perfect. Nature's not perfect. And I saw somebody say that earlier, and it's so true. All right, so we got that. I am gonna take a little bit of black and just kind of add some black to my roof. Now, I'm just gonna do like a half circle. Just like I'm making a smiley face. I'm like that. Before I make the baby Jesus head, I want to also do just a little bit of white on my roof, okay? Just a little, because I just want you to be able to kind of see the highlights of it. What I want to do right now is put just a little bit of glitter on the top of my roof. Just a little. I'm adding some white highlights to my trees just because I just now decided I thought I would. I don't want too much white, like I keep saying that, but I do like to have just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do white as his face, and I will mix it with a little bit of brown. So here's what we have so far. Okay. I love that it's rustic. I just think personally that it just adds a lot to it. Now what we're gonna do is, and somebody asked about the color glitter, it was iridescent, okay? Like I did in this one, I had the star right over the manger and the stable. Well, I kind of made it a little too, I don't have room, so I'm gonna do it up here. Let me show you what it looks like, then I'll add some glitter while it's still wet. Look, y'all. Okay, and then we're not done though, so just hang tight. I'm gonna add just a little bit of glitter. Look at that. That glitter, bam. I'm not even kidding. That glitter was what we needed. That glitter was everything. The only thing I still want to do here is like I did in this one. I had like some light shining above his head just to show his glory, because he is God. And then I added a little bit of gold to the trees. So I'm gonna do that because I do think that was really pretty. I hope you'll paint one of these. This was very easy. There was nothing hard about this. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. This was super fun. Y'all have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.